variety selection on our farm over the last couple of years has really kind of gone back to yield. Disease traits, we're on some heavier Hoytville clays, as I said earlier, and so water, the varieties needing to withstand some wet feet or stress conditions are critical for us varieties that'll continue to yield, but also varieties that are going to be good for our end users. And I think one of the things as we move forward in the soybean industry and is continuing to create demand for our product is producing soybeans, not just to produce a yield, but to produce a high yielding, high oil product, high protein type product that can be utilized in our industry for our end users to get more value out of if we can. And I think as some of these traits, and whether that be the plenish or the hyoleic or food grade or conventional soybeans continue to be grown, there'll be a place in our industry for all those, and how we continue to evolve, and really what in particular our market here in Ohio will allow, if there's marketing opportunities to grow different varieties, but in the end they have to be healthy, they have to yield, so that we can at some point continue to use them to make a living.